All right, here we go for next slides for pricing. In the last video, I covered that each packages which is provided by VMware by Broadcom. Let me pause it, my blues. And now I like to go further for next slides. Simply price calculation. That's really interesting part for I think everybody in the market who already used the VMware software. By the way, it doesn't matter which kind of software you use, but in future you have totally different packages and different features, different applications, and so on you have uh, in your subscription model. Okay, and I will start with like what we had in the past, like that perpetual products. We have, for example, VMware Cloud Foundation Enterprise, and that license, for example, cost me around 51,000 US dollars. And now I like to change my licensing model. I like to go through subscription product. And as you know already, that subscription product is totally different. So, and what happened if I move totally from that old licensing model to subscription products? And how much I have to pay uh, for example, 3 year subscription and for support and things like that. If I like to move from VMware Cloud Foundation Enterprise to the new subscription product, I have to move to something called VCF or VMware Cloud Foundation. And if I have to pay for that, the payment would be like that $60,800 for 3 year subscription. And as you can see in the end, that's really less than what we think. You know, that's an uh, argument in everywhere. YouTube, I don't know that there is an lots of roundtables, seminars, YouTube videos, streaming about what happened regarding that price, and that's not fair from VMware by Broadcom to do with the customers and also with the partners for changing that all licensing model from that licensing like uh, support in something like totally different to subscription product and subscription model. But what you can see here is the price is fair, I would say. If you want to calculate that 51,000 to 16,000, I would say that's fair. And also, you have the VCF add-ons there. It's a really cool benefit, I would say. If you like to do vSAN, if you like to do, I don't know, site recovery manager with the networking, with Tanzu, with, I don't know, if you're looking forward to a cloud disaster recovery, in the past, you have to pay that separately. For each add-on you can see here, in the past, you had to pay money. But now you have it as an add-on here. Okay. That's a good sign, at least. And in the other hand, we have for all the add-ons and VMware Cloud Foundation self supports inside. That's really cool idea, you know. And if you like to have, for example, I don't know, VMware Aria, you can simply have it. If you like to, I don't know, protect your environment regarding ransomware. You have now that VMware ransomware recovery or RWR here. Or if you're looking for site recovery manager, which is really handy, totally automate your disaster, if something happened regarding your environment, that your workloads will be available in the other side, and there is an totally storage replications works behind with less RPO and RTO can provide your virtual machine and uptimes there. Or if you want to do something like networking, you have VMware firewall, like distributed firewall, gateway firewall. But the black box for me self is that something that licensing model also works per core of CPU, core per, I don't know, virtual CPU on appliance. Uh, I'm not sure. That's simply black box for me also. But I will try to dig in more and more in VMware and see if I can get something. And after that, I will update my videos or simply go through with the new videos and say, hey, it's now changed and we need to calculate like that. You know. Okay. So the next one. Again, I have like that old model like vSphere Enterprise Plus, and that's now different. I had to use that we realized suite standard. It means that we ops and we realized. Okay. And for 3 years SNS, I have to pay quite like 15,000. And now I can simply move my packages from that old model to subscription product called VVF or vSphere, VMware vSphere Foundation. And the cost is really interesting. I have to pay like less than 7,000, I would say 6,500. And I have simply also vSAN in there. If you look on add-ons, you can see the add-ons are there. You can use also Site Recovery Manager. You can use ransomware recovery. You can use vSAN, Tanzu. And what we missed here is the flexibility of network virtualization there, and the security things and network are missed here. But I would say if in the past you used vSphere Enterprise Plus, including vRealize suite standard in your environment, just keep in mind you had to pay different products in the past. For VSphere Enterprise Plus, you have to pay, and also separately, you have to pay like we realize to the standard price also. But now, as in a package and as an extra add-ons, now you pay less with more flexibility there. You know, just you have to keep in mind if you like to move from the old product model to the new subscription products, you need to, before start anything at all, just calculate your environment, what you have already. I created video already, I built it, I recorded, and I will pin it in the top. You can simply watch it if you didn't watch it, and you can learn how you can uh, get an export, get a report of your environment, what you have already, and what's your approach. Is it approach going to VVF or your approach going to VCF? And after that, when you calculate your environment, what you have in your environment, in your infrastructure, you can say, okay, I have to move or simply go forward with the product called VVF or VMware vSphere Foundation, or I have to move to VCF or VMware Cloud Foundation, you know. And if you have recent insight also on that video, you can learn how you can calculate of your recent environment, how many license you need. And that's another things I would say. From now it's okay. What I like to do in the next video is what is heavy byte in a recent already. I talked a lot about that. That's a new measuring of VMware. Okay. uh, what is byte for calculating of my vSAN environment, and what is byte, you know. And after that, you can simply understand the new model of calculation and measuring of data on your vSAN environment. And simply you can say, okay, I need kind of, I don't know, X terabyte or X gigabyte of my of vSAN in my environment. You know, thank you so much. If you like my video, simply please click on like button. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, simply subscribe. And if you want to know when my new videos will be uploaded in a YouTube, simply click on ring bells. Stay with me. Stay tuned.